Everyone deserves a life that is safe and free of violence. Unfortunately, 1 in 4 women and nearly 1 in 10 men will experience some form of physical abuse during their lifetime. And those numbers don't include children who witness domestic violence. October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month. The Fairfax County Domestic Violence Action Center is a comprehensive service center staffed by county agency and community nonprofit partners to provide culturally responsive information and support services for victims and families of domestic violence and stalking.
The county's Division for Domestic and Sexual Violence Services offers advocacy at our Domestic Violence Action Center, or DVAC. And there, someone can speak with a victim advocate about their situation and receive support with accessing appropriate services. In addition, DSVS offers counseling services for survivors of domestic and sexual violence and for their children that may have been exposed to or experienced violence in the home. And we also offer intervention for those that have abused a loved one through our Anger and Domestic Abuse Prevention and Treatment Program, also known as ADAPT. We have a community engagement team that provides outreach to partners and providers. And lastly, certainly not least, we have a county-wide team that focuses on systemic issues that negatively impact victims of domestic and sexual violence by collaborating with other agencies and community members to offer solutions. We know that for some, staying at home doesn't always feel safe because someone in the home may threaten or hurt others in the home. So when you suspect a friend or neighbor may need help, support them. You can do this first and foremost by believing them, but you want to spend time listening, find out the safest way and best times to contact them, and make sure you are available to them. Also, utilize resources. Look for resources and offer to help make calls when they are ready. Plan for safety. Talk about safety planning at home. The 24-hour hotline and or a DVAC advocate can assist with safety planning. And there are additional resources on our website as well that can offer some guidance. Prepare to challenge your own beliefs. Instead of asking questions like, why don't they leave? Ask, how can I help? Offer what you can. Provide a safe place to stay. Offer financial help, or just somewhere that they can store important documents. Remind them of their strengths. Tell them they are strong and can get through hard times with courage and resiliency. And then again, tell them you believe them. Let them know they can trust you and remind them that the abuse is not their fault.
For more information about resources, ways you can help, and events marking the month, visit fairfaxcounty.gov and search Domestic Violence Awareness Month. The Fairfax County Domestic and Sexual Violence Hotline is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 703-360-7273, TTY 711. Always in an emergency, call or text 911.